After photos of their wedding invitation leaked online, it was previously reported that the suspected lovers are planning to marry in December 2021. In an interview with Naija Society News, Bimpe stated that she and Lateef had chemistry and that they will be officially married in December. In response to rumors that they are marrying because she's pregnant, the actress stated, Nollywood actress Adebimpe Oyebade and her colleague Lateef Adedimeji are finally prepared to tie the knot after years of denying their romantic relationship. In an interview, Bimpe Oyebade revealed that she is unable to date her colleague Lateef Adedimeji because he is not her type of man. Bimpe has denied having a romantic involvement with the well-known actor. The fact that they have acted in a lot of love situations together, according to her, is what is leading viewers to believe they are dating. However, Instagram blogger Gistlover, who revealed the details of the wedding, which will take place on December 22nd in Lagos, claims to be pregnant. The source also revealed that the marriage introduction was done a few months ago and that the wedding plans were attached to the post.